Good morning, students. As we have already started with the Heron's formula in the previous video, I had explained you the concept. Now I'll tell you how to solve question and how to apply the formula. Okay, so class 9 Heron's formula exercise 12.1. First question: a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Okay, these are the keywords. Okay, you can underline, students. Okay, equilateral triangle with side A. Okay, with side A. Find the area of the signal board. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. First part. Then it is saying, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay, so first we will do the first part. It is saying a traffic signal board which is indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So what is equilateral triangle, student? By this time you should be very thorough with these basics. Equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all three sides equal. Okay, so let me draw an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, all three sides are equal. This sign shows that all the three sides are equal. So what is the side given to us? Side is given to us A. So this is A. So this has to be A and this has to be A. Are you following, students? Okay, and this is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. Okay, this is school ahead. Nothing is to be done with this. Okay, this is just for an explanation I'm telling. Okay, this is just for an explanation. Alright, this is just for an explanation. So equilateral triangle with this sides A. Now it is saying you have to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula first? Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula, students? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C whole under root. Okay, and what is this S? S is semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. Alright, now another important thing, now ABC will be equal in this, so I can write, since it is equilateral triangle, since it is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, students. All sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal in a triangle. So this means A is equal to B is equal to C. See, in the Heron's formula we have A, B and C. So B and C will be replaced by A because it is saying three sides are equal. Okay, in an equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So A, B and C, all the three sides are equal. So this is important. A is equal to B is equal to C. So now if we calculate semi-perimeter, so S is equal to A plus A plus A upon 2. Are you following, student? This step is very important. Why I am writing A here and A here? Okay, because in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. So this means B and C will be replaced by A. A we already have. Okay, so this B and C will be replaced by A. Okay, three sides are equal. So A. So A plus A plus A. What are ABC? ABC are the three sides. Since it is equilateral triangle, so three sides will be A plus A plus A divided by 2. So this is important. Okay, so in algebra you studied x plus x plus x is 3x. Similarly, A plus A is equal to 3A. So 3A upon 2 is your semi-perimeter. Now how will you calculate S minus A? So S minus A is equal to 3A upon 2 minus A, which is equal to 3A minus 2A upon 2. Okay, this denominator is 1, taking LCM 2 and multiplying. Student, this is very basic and we have done previous question. You should be thorough with this method, how to solve by this. Okay, I'm repeating last time. After this I will not repeat. Okay, so LCM will be 2 ones are 2, multiply 1 time by numerator 3A, 1 here, so 2 times 2A, so which is equal to, now 3A minus 2A is equal to A by 2. Now S minus A is equal to A by 2. So S minus B will be equal to what? S minus A only, right? Which will be equal to S minus C only. Why? Because A is equal to B is equal to C. Because A is equal to B is equal to C. So no need to calculate separately S minus B, S minus C. Alright, since three sides are equal, so S minus A will be equal to S minus B will be equal to S minus C, because S in place of B I will write now S minus A only. Alright, so which is equal to now A by 2. Are you following, students? Now substitute what is the value of S. The value of S is 3A by 2. What is the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C? A by 2. Okay, so S minus C is also equal to A by 2. Are you following, student? These steps, why S minus A, S minus B, S minus A, S minus A are equal. This is equal. Why? Because all the three sides are equal. So in place of B I can write A, in place of C I can write A. So it will give me the same values. Are you following? That is why the S, we no need to calculate S minus B and S minus C. Now substituting in, now I'm writing C here on the right side, substituting the values, okay, in Heron's formula. This HF is Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, what is the value of S? 3A by 2. So write 3A by 2. What is the value of S minus A? S minus A is A by 2. What is the value of S minus B? A by 2. What is the value of S minus C? A by 2. Okay, and taking whole square root. Okay, so this will be now A into A square, A cube, A4. This will be 3A to the power 4 numerator upon 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 16 is square root of what? 4. Or you can see pairing from here, 2, 1, 2 from here and 1, 2 from here. So 4. Okay, I'm not taking square root. Okay, this is calculation, students, which is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. See here, if I take square root of A square, what will I get? A, right? If I take A4 square root, this is A4 raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, whenever we remove square roots, the power will be 1 by 2. So this is A4 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to A square. That is why this A4 has no square root and I have written this value A square. Are you following? And root 3 will be root 3 as it is. Are you following, student? So question first part solved. Find the area of a signal board using Heron's formula. So what is the area now? There is root 3 by 4 A square, root 3 by 4 A square, and this is also the area of an equilateral triangle. Now don't forget, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, don't forget this, it is very important. Okay, now come to second part. Second part says, if its perimeter is 180, what will be the area of the signal board? So perimeter, now second part, I'm writing here second part. Okay, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter of any closed figure is boundary. Suppose if I take this rectangle, so what is boundary? Boundary means adding this. Okay, suppose if this is x and y, so this will be x and y, so adding this x plus y plus x plus y. So boundary always means when you're adding the outsides, okay, this boundaries. Okay, perimeter is always concerned with the boundaries. Okay, and area is always enclosed region, inside part. Okay, so don't get confused between area and perimeter. Now it is saying perimeter, so this figure is triangle. So what does the perimeter of a triangle means? Perimeter of a triangle means adding the three sides. Okay, since it is equilateral triangle, so A plus A plus A will be the perimeter. So it is saying perimeter, students, not semi-perimeter. This S is semi-perimeter. Okay, now the difference is more clear. So perimeter, okay, so perimeter is A plus A plus A, which is equal to 180 given. So this is 3A is equal to 180, right? So A is equal to 180 by 3, which is equal to 60. This means we have already calculated A. One side, if one side of this triangle is 60, so what will be the other two sides, students? Obviously 60, because it is an equilateral triangle. Now it is saying what will be the area of the signal board. So what is the area we calculated in the first part of the signal board? Root 3 by 4 A square. So substitute this value of A here in this formula. So I will substitute here root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60, right? 4 ones are 4, 15. So this will be 0, 6 5s are 30, 0 carry plus 3, So 900 root 3. Now centimeter is given, so area will be 900 root 3 centimeter square. Are you following, students? I'm repeating again second part. It says if it's perimeter, it is not saying semi perimeter, it is saying perimeter. Perimeter of any closed figure is you have to add the boundaries. Okay, that's sum of the boundaries. So side is a. Okay, so what will be the perimeter? A plus a plus a. So this is 3a. 3a is equal to 180. Okay, so what is the value of a? 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, 60 centimeter. Now it is saying what will be the area of the signal board. So what area we already calculated of the signal board, which is equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square, right? So side we already got a, this a we already got. What is the value of a? 60 centimeters. So substitute here. So root 3 by 4 into a square. So what do you mean by a square? 60 into 60. Okay, a 2 times 60 into 60. So now this is simple calculation. 4 ones are cancel, so 15. So this is 6 5 to 30, 0 plus 3, 900 and root 3. So 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the signal board. Area of signal board. Are you following, students? Okay, so in this way we have to solve the other questions. As I'm telling you from beginning, whenever you watch my videos, maths videos, always sit with a paper and pen. Okay, simultaneously write and draw the figures. Okay, then you will understand the concepts better. Alright, don't just simply sit and watch the videos. Okay, this is not movie, this is your studies going on. Okay, and that too mathematics. You have to be very serious and be sincere about your studies. Okay, so I hope students you have followed the concept. Okay, what is Heron's formula and how we are applying, and from the question only we will see what is given to us and then we will solve. Are you following? So I'll just quickly recap what I've told. So it is saying an equilateral triangle, so side has to be equal, a. So s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So I can write Heron's formula just for your explanation. I'm writing, students. Let me change the ink. So I can write this Heron's formula as s minus a into s minus a into s minus a. Why? Because a, b, c are equal. Because a is equal to b is equal to c. This is just for your explanation I'm doing. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, this is just for your explanation. Okay, why I'm writing in place of s minus b? See, in the Heron's formula we have s minus b and I have taken s minus a. Why, students? Because it is given an equilateral triangle and all the three sides are equal. So this is, suppose this is a. Okay, let this side be a, b and c. Since it is equilateral triangle, so this will be equal, b will be equal to a and c will be equal to a. Okay, don't get confused here. That is why I'm repeating. So in place of s minus b I can write s minus a. In place of s minus c I can write s minus a. Why? Because a is equal to b is equal to c. That is what I've written here, students. Okay, so you will save time on calculating again. No need to calculate again. By this property you write and solve. I hope, students, it is clear now. You don't have any doubt. Alright, why we have taken s minus a here. Okay, and in this way you will solve. For your assignment, students, repeat this question again in your notebook without seeing the solution. First understand, go through it, then without seeing the solution do it in your notebooks, and then try next 2-3 questions. Then in the forthcoming videos I will explain you more. Okay, I hope you have followed. Study well and watch this video again. Okay, don't waste your time. Watch this video again so your concept will be more clear, students. Okay, so study well and be good, students.